One question I get asked all the time is, can administrators be coaches? And my answer always is kind of provisional. Yes and no. There's elements of what principals do that can involve a coaching approach, and other times when it's not that appropriate. But what I would say is, to be effective, administrators really do need to know how to take a coaching approach when it's appropriate. So we reached out to John Campbell and Christian Van Neuerberg from Growth Coaching International, and we offer a course that Growth Coaching has been offering for years in Australia and New Zealand. It's called an Introduction to Leadership Coaching. So if you're interested in how to take a coaching approach, whether you're an administrator or an instructional coach who's trying to broaden your skills as a coach, this program tells you how to have a short conversation, we call a growth conversation, to take a coaching approach so we can involve teachers as partners in their progress forward as they try to do more to reach more kids, to make a difference, to be more effective.